Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I wanted to do this video today to show you how to take something old and make it look good. I'm going to use this, which I got for free. This I went to Harbor Freight and got. The reason why I got it is I'm going to take the wheels off of here, and instead of putting feet on this, I'm going to use the wheels, because this way you can do what you want to with it. And actually, when you go and you look for stuff like this was only 10 something with the 4 wheels on it. These wheels cost you $5 a piece if you buy them separately. So I bought this so I can take the wheels off of here and use them on here. So I'm going to get started on it and show you what I can do with this not so good looking shelf right now. Okay guys, so I'm sanding it. I'm using a little, one of the rotary sanders. It's a Craftsman. This one had to be sanded a little bit. It was pretty rough. My daughter's making me put a mask on. So I'm cleaning it off and I'm getting ready to use a spray paint in a can. Normally I don't. I usually use my sprayer, but this was handy, so I think the name of it's Sea Glass Green. I had to also change the back part that was on there. You'll see me do that in a little bit, because the part that was on there, the piece of wood that was on there had the curve to it, and I don't like that. So I think I put 3 layers of this paint on there. It's just a really pretty sea green. I usually use white, but I found this and I just thought it was really pretty. Taking the wheels off here. They're very easy to take off. So I just think it's a whole lot better to pay. I paid half of what I would have paid had I got them separately. And you can always take the wood from the little thing that they came on and use it for something else. So I'm doing a little distressing. I usually do. I like stuff distressed. Okay, right here is where I put a new piece in there. I just don't like the ones with the curves and stuff. I think it dates it. So I just added this in there. I didn't even have to put screws in it. It went in pretty snugly, so I don't think I'll have a problem with it coming out. And I'll just touch up the paint just a little bit. Like I said, I really don't like using the spray paint like that. I like using my spray gun. The paint just looks so much better when you do. I just feel like it does a better job when you use a sprayer. Or you can brush it on if you like that look. If you add the plaster of Paris to a regular paint, you can get a good chalk paint. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you like my video. My channel is Painted Treasures, and my name is Teresa. Thank you.